Wow, that mountain there, that South Mountain, looks very amazing. Just the rocks there, the cactuses, wow. Arizona. I know, for some reason, that song's been stuck in my head forever. Arizona. There we go. I think we're coming up on Beautiful Way and Baseline Road. And Baseline Road is where we must be. Yeah, that road right here, looks like they've got some kind of a project building on your road here, because this road is, yeah, it's quite jacked up here. Oh, I could see a plane landing right there. Right at the airport. So yeah, we are, guys, kind of now gonna go west on Baseline Road. Yeah, so we're gonna go west, so we're gonna go kind of around the city, because the city of Phoenix is right down there. I mean, we are in the city of Phoenix now. Okay, what I was thinking is coming into a gas station and just putting my phone on something cold. And speaking of cold things, I'm probably gonna have a cold beverage at this Quick Trip thing right here. And yeah, at the same time, we're gonna cool off our phone a little bit, because I mean, I kind of know the directions now, so I don't need to look at it anymore. But just in case I gotta call somebody, I'm gonna have to thank you, brother. I'm gonna have to make the call. So let's go find something cold. Not these beverages, because these beverages here are reserved for the evening. But let's just see what they got here. The usual suspects. They actually have Mickey's. I remember Mickey's lager from my childhood days. So yeah, I'm just gonna press the phone, you know, to like that, like in the fridge, and then it should really quickly cool the phone off. But I'm not gonna really use it if I don't need to, because of course, once we're done with this mission, and then we still have another mission going towards Glendale, which I think will be another 11 miles. So we're gonna have a nice hefty another hour and a half or something. Oh wow, they actually got some goodies here. Stella, they got a bunch of different IPAs and stuff. But for the moment, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get something that we can like hydrate with. I mean, some proper like sportsman stuff here. See, electrolyte water or something like that, or something slightly flavored. Berry Blast. Let's see how much sugar this thing is. It's barely nothing. We're gonna do the fruit punch then. Electro Volt. But let's see what else they got here. And yeah, let's sandwich these like that. See, they got some hot food. Hot chicken taco. They got some cold cuts, cold sandwiches. Got a lot of drinks here. Okay, I'm starting to get messages, so that means my phone is probably next to cool now. But yeah, they got a good selection here, guys. Got your donuts. Yeah, I haven't really seen a Dunkin' Donuts around here yet. But look at the selection on the roller grills, guys. Got taquitos, egg rolls. Might pick some of those up later for a quick snack. Steak and cheese taquito, spicy chicken taquitos, cheesy pepper taquitos. Wow, they're good price, $99. 2 for $2 each, 2 for $3.50. All right, but the cheesy pepper taquito is only 99 cents. No, that's all right, brother. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, guys. So yeah, we're back. I'm gonna hit this fruit punch real quick. Oh wow, it's got ions, magnesium, potassium, calcium, sodium, glucose, sodium lactate, fruit punch. Oh wow, this one's got a lot of sugar, huh? But I guess we're gonna burn it off. Yeah, see, like this one doesn't have any sugar, this berry blast, so I thought this was the same thing, but it's not. So we're gonna put that right down there. Yeah, guys, I had to repack and get that extra bag because things were just feeling too tight on my back. And also today I filled, you see this little nozzle here? I filled up the old Camelback, and it's actually proving pretty useful as I'm cruising. So yeah, I had to rearrange things, and then yeah, I just couldn't do it without, you know, because I didn't want to put too much weight on that front bracket, because as I told you guys before, I broke it before, and yeah, it won't be fun if I break it on this trip, because if I break it on this trip, you know, I'm gonna have to carry that bag on my sort of side sling or on the back, so that's just gonna not